Now we will know about NPM packages, which is equal to Node Package Manager. It's a huge collection of open source packages for Node.js. Now we will initialize NPM package with NPM init. You enter the name of the package, version, you just click enter. Then you give a short description about the project, and you enter the name of file. Last command, you can leave it empty, hidden repository empty, leave it empty. Author you can name, and license this. Again, click enter and enter up yes. Now you have a new package.json file and the details that you filled when you're initializing the npm package. Now, next we need to install a package. You go to npm json.com, package that you want here, and search for the package that you want here. So this is how you install package. Copy it back to your terminal. You can install like this or like this. Install I and all the same. You have merge packages to install with spaces. You can install multiple packages. Okay, after you install this package, you can see the package.json file, dependency, and the name of the package here, and the version of it. This, we paste it here, and we're printing in the terminal. Ensure that you're in the current directory. Now we're running the index.json file. It is working. The method that we're currently using is CommonJS. Go to package.json file, you can see the type is CommonJS. Convert the module. Now we have converted from CommonJS format to is. The import from ran it in the terminal worked.